Greetings, adventurers. We're here today at Stanley Eddy Regional Park in Wright County, Minnesota. It is an absolutely beautiful day. Join in the adventure. All right, we're just getting started. We got a little 3¼ mile loop here to walk around, see what they have in store. I was actually here yesterday and I did a 3¼ mile loop around the south unit. There's another one right next to this one. And I got home and none of the video turned out. I said, what the heck? So now I'm back here to redo it. It is a blistering 92 degrees today. Whew, 10 degrees hotter than yesterday. But it's probably a good 10 degrees cooler down here in the forest. It's kind of nice. And there is a nice little breeze in the air, which is nice also. Quite an intricate little thing here with the stones. There's another one over here. All right, folks. So you see that lake? I thought that lake over there was Pickerel Lake, which is at the end of my loop. But it's not. It's a completely different lake. And I am way off my trail. Well, shoot. So, for my hikes, I use an app called Gaia GPS. I'm not affiliated with them in any way, but I use it. It comes in handy, and I really enjoy the tools and stuff that it has. But every once in a while, it doesn't seem to be up to date with where I'm hiking. And this seems to be one of those examples. So right after I started hiking, I noticed that the trail wasn't following the map that I had. It was kind of roughly following the line, but not exactly. Apparently, until it turned down that lake, which took me maybe a quarter mile off the trail and then a quarter mile back, so it set me back about a half a mile or so. But it also cut off the very end of our loop, so I think we lost a half mile or a mile. But we're headed back around the loop. All right, folks, back here at the parking lot. Just a little view of the parking lot. Nice little pit toilet. So, first of all, let me sit down here. It is hot. Whew. First of all, yesterday I was here at the South Unit. Now, what I said about that place was kind of about the same thing I'm going to say about this. Same thing I'm going to say about this place. The trails are excellent. They're very well maintained. There are no obstacles. It's a 2-track trail, well graded the whole way. No real steep hills or big rocks or anything like that. Really nice, easy walking. One thing that's nice about places like this with the 2-track trails is it's a nice place to come with a friend or two, so you can walk side by side and talk while you walk. Other than that, some of the trails were a little confusing. There's not a lot of maps or anything, so make sure you bring a up-to-date map, or at least know where you're going. There is a map here at the start, right over there. I should have taken a picture of that. It would have been helpful. Man, it is hot out here. But yeah, like both places, they're very nice. The trails are very nice, very well maintained. It's clean. It's very quiet here. No people. There was no cars here when I got here. No one here now. There was one car at the South Unit yesterday when I was there. So very quiet, very nice. The one complaint I have though is there's nothing really spectacular here to see. It's just some good healthy woods. The other, I forgot, the South Unit yesterday when I came actually has the highest point in Wright County, so that was a cool little thing to see, but it's just a survey marker on the ground. No views, nothing like that. Just a nice stroll through the woods. Well, thank you guys for coming with me, and I will see you next Monday right here on Happy Trail Backpacking.